Hello Geminis, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll be having a look as to what's in store for you for the last 15 days of April. So on one side, last 15 days of April, and as these are general readings, they won't be resonating with each and every one of you, so take what resonates and leave the rest. For the personal readings, you have the details in the description box below. So let's see what's there for Geminis for the last 15 days of April. The Ten of Swords, the Nine of Swords, the Page of Pentacles, Lovers, Ace of Swords, the Six of Pentacles, the Ten of Cups, the King of Swords, and the Two of Cups. So Geminis, you are stressing over a situation, or you're stressing a lot over a situation because you feel as if somebody has betrayed you or somebody has cheated on you, and this person definitely, we are talking about a relationship out here. Okay, so what I feel is you are stressing on this situation a lot. Okay, it's really causing you sleepless nights, a lot of insomnia, not able to do anything. It's really, to some extent, it's paralyzing your day-to-day activities also. And after a lot of thinking and analyzing and overthinking, once you realize that, okay, I really can't do without it, you plan to make a move. That's what I feel. Because what you realize is that, okay, I really can't do without it, I can't keep on waiting and waiting, or whatever it is for you, but definitely you take a step forward here with the Page of Pentacles. And then we have the Lovers, the Ace of Wands, and the Six of Pentacles. So what I feel is you are taking a step forward towards this relationship after a lot of overthinking, a lot of anxiety, whatever it was. Even if you felt betrayed and cheated, but perhaps you're not able to live without this person, or you feel that way, that okay, I can't do without this. So you decide to take a step forward. That's what I feel. Okay, and with the Lovers and the Ace of Wands, yes, you do get a new beginning over here. Now it can be with the same person or it can be with someone else, I don't know, but yes, you take a step forward or make a move towards a relationship over here, and you have a lot of passion. It can be a new beginning with the same person or with somebody else. It will be different for different people, but yes, the situation is, if you've been fretting and being anxious over somebody over here, it's for those of you who are resonating with that, you'll understand what it is in your life. Okay, so definitely there is a new beginning over here with the Ace of Wands. There's a lot of passion over here, and once you're able to make a move, it's like you've given a vent to what you were feeling, and with the as you start communicating about it, or as you make the first move, you feel relaxed and balanced here with the Six of Pentacles. So whatever it was which was all inside you, whatever the anxiety was inside you, you seem to, once you make a move, you seem to be relaxed and balanced and sorted out. Comparatively, your anxiety is lessened, and you feel that things are on the track once again. That's what I'm getting. Okay, and once the things are sorted out and balanced, what I feel, and then we have the Ten of Cups, the King of Swords, and the Two of Cups. So definitely what I feel is, definitely we do have a relationship over here, and you really want a commitment and a family with this person. Everything is good and good, but what I feel is you're still being a little bit defensive. With the King of Swords being there, you're still being a little bit defensive because of perhaps the old experience. Perhaps you don't want to be hurt once again. So it can be that you are not showing as much of emotions as you would like to be, as you would like to show, or whatever emotions you have, you are not showing in entirety because of this past fear, perhaps, whatever it is. So yes, mainly the thing is that your anxiety finds a vent out once you make a move. Okay, it was all pent up emotions, or the pent up thoughts have lessened, and things have started balancing out once you make that move. And this move you are making, or this step, whatever you are taking, is after a lot of thinking and analyzing, because you really thought that you really can't, it's just not possible for you to contain in yourself whatever it was getting too much for you. Message from this deck is the Five of Spades. So it's whosoever you are dealing with, it's somebody who is your equal. It's like a difficult opponent, a person who is your equal, and equal, totally equal. Okay, whosoever you are dealing with, this person is no less in strategies and level, whatever it is. If it is a love relationship or if it is a professional relationship, this is your counterpart. It's a tough competition, it is a difficult situation, it's not an easy situation. If you act smart, they act smart, type of a feeling, type of a thing is here. Okay, you cannot think that this person is going to make a first move, and this person is also your mirror, you can say, to some extent. Okay, if you play with them, they play with you. If you are innocent with them, they are innocent with you, type of a situation. Okay, you can't expect them that if I will do like this person will come and chase me. No, they won't. Guidance from the angels. Age of thought. You may feel as though you are restricted by circumstances you find yourself in, but that is an illusion. Make a promise to yourself to refuse to be stuck in a situation that's making you unhappy. Don't wait for someone to come to the rescue when you can free yourself. So, that is the guidance for you, Geminis. So, that's all I have. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.